we have forgotten the most sophisticated metabolic reset ever in gene. Glycerol, there is a yoke or combination, creates a complete essential amino acid profile. Namo Namaha. In an era of 50 detox juices and synthetic probiotics, we have forgotten the most sophisticated metabolic reset ever in gene. It isn't a new discovery, but rather it's an old Ayurvedic formulation known as Glycerol. Today we decode the science of khichdi, not as a sick food, but as a functional food that outshines the modern detox trends. The Charaka Samhita just not only enlists the recipes, but also talks about the power of combination, that is samyoga. It has been defined as the preparation of lentils and shimbi dhanya. While modern nutritionists talk about protein quality, Acharya Charak at that time was describing the term balya, the ability of a food to provide cellular strength and immunity just after the body has been cleansed through Panchakarma. Let's get scientific. Individually, rice and lentils are incomplete proteins, but there is some yoke or combination creates a complete essential amino acid profile. This powerful combination provides all the 9 essential amino acids to the body required for muscle synthesis and tissue repair. Furthermore, the slow cooking process pre-gelatinizes the starches, ensuring the bioavailability of nutrients is at its peak. It is a way to kindle agni, that is chit fire, without overwhelming it. Biologically, this translates to a reduced hepatic workload. Because it is a monotrophic of one pot meal, liver and pancreas don't have to produce a cocktail of enzymes to just break down the food. This reduces the liver's workload by about 50%, shifting the body's energy from digestion mode to detoxification mode, which modern science calls the window for cellular autophagy. Beyond the gut, there is psychological reset. Psychologists note soft, warm comfort foods provide sensory rest. Khichdi requires minimal sensory effort from the brain to process its texture and flavor, providing immediate relief to the vagus nerve and resetting the nervous system of the body. That is why luxury wellness centers now provide customized khichdi based on your dosha, vata, pitta, kapha, calling it biohacking. You can optimize this further, swapping white rice for fiber-rich bajra or dalia increases the prebiotic load. Adding ginger or hing ensures that the meal doesn't aggravate vata dosh in your body. This is the ultimate biohack. Cheap, efficient and scientifically sounding. I'm Shaurya Mohan. Follow Sanskrit Wood as we continue to bridge the gap between modern science and ancient Ayurvedic sciences. Dhanyavadah.